Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make shaped frames in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this and I'll just freeze frame it. You don't have to, but I'm going to. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. And then I am going to select mask and I'm going to select the heart shape. And I am going to make it a little bit bigger. You can also feather it out if you'd like to. Right click, create compound clip, select the heart shape again, but you're going to select reverse. And you can also do the same feather out thing again. Go to local and add in your video or your photo or whatever underneath the frame. And I am going to mask the photo and I'm just going to place it like that. And now you have a heart-shaped frame. You can do it with a star or any other shape there is. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!